Na me be akamu, na me be pepper, na me be onions, na me be maggi, na me be nepa bill, na me dey cook, na me dey wash, na me dey clean. Even when mosquito enter this house, na me go pursue am. Papa Ngozi, tell me, wetin exactly you dey contribute for this marriage?
Me?
Yes, you.
Do you know when your dialogue AI movie sound too robotic, the app won't monetize it? Hope you know. Now on today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your dialogue AI movie to sound so real. Okay, and also best method you can now generate up to 15 to 30 seconds longer movie. So guys, without not wasting your time, let's dive in. So we all know that before we can achieve something very reasonable, we must start from somewhere, okay? Like before you can start building that your house, you need to start with the foundation. Without the foundation, the building will collapse. Now that's why I have to take you through this process, how I get my script from A to Z, and also full tutorial how I get my images, okay, which I will just take a which for you to just take a look of that. Okay, now the first thing I need to do is just come to my ChatGPT and use the mic to explain to ChatGPT exactly what I want. Okay, you know, all these AI just follow our instruction, and the thing you need to know for you to be an expert AI movie, you need to have a little knowledge of what you're about to create. Okay, and also the app will also help if you want to expand it more, if you also want to end it there. That one left for the app to do, you and the app to make the decision. Okay, whereby if you need a longer video, tell the app this is the little knowledge you have, like your beginning, that one matters, because your beginning intro will make your audience to watch your movie or not to watch it. Okay, so always make sure you pay attention for your beginning intro. Okay, now this is exactly what I tell the app, which you are seeing here. I want my beginning intro to begin where the woman was just shouting at her husband. Okay, if you can see, and she will be like, na me be old Noah. I just changed that old to akamo. Okay, na me be akamo, na me be pepper, na me be onion, na me be nepa be, na me be, do you understand? So I'm just try to attract the audience. Okay, so this is exactly what I did here. Now this is the script, and ChatGPT go ahead to analyze it and give me this full script you are seeing here. Okay, so this is my script ChatGPT give me, which you can see scene one. Okay, now the scene one intro. Morning, Mama Ngozi is in the kitchen while her husband sits comfortably in living room watching television. Okay, then the thing I want the app, normally this is where my beginning intro start. Like this is where I tell the app this is what I want. So the app is one that added this, and also go ahead to add the many rest. So that's why I tell you it's good for you to have a little knowledge of what you're trying to generate, and make sure that your little knowledge is what will attract your audience. Your first, second, third seconds matters a lot in your movie intro beginning. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to be working with, which you are seeing it. Okay, now after I'm done going through my script, okay, I realize that this is exactly what I want and everything is very nice. Now I still had to tell the app to give me the consistent image. As I said, you need to make your image, like you need to make your movie to feel real. Let your audience feel like they are watching real movie. Okay, so that the images will not be changing face. Your scene one face and scene two and scene three face won't be the same. So that is what we are trying to avoid. That's why we call it consistent image. Okay, so this is exactly what I tell my app for my consistent image. Okay, now once the app go ahead to give me this, and these are my main characters I will be working with. Do you understand? You can see Mama Ngozi. You can see everything about Mama Ngozi, both her physical expression, okay, both her physical gesture, everything about Mama Ngozi. Then you can see Papa Ngozi. Okay, this is everything about her. Even the app also give, okay, the personality, calm. Okay, and also we have Ngozi. Okay, so this is everything about Ngozi. So guys, here are my consistent images. Do you understand? Here are my consistent image I need to work with. Now after I'm done getting my consistent image, what I have to do next is go ahead to send the app my prompt for my scene by scene images. Okay, so this is exactly what the app gave me for my scene by scene images, which you are seeing it here. Okay, so we have our scene one, na me be everything. Okay, that's for our scene one. Now we still have our scene two, wetin you dey contribute. Okay, so after everything, still have our scene three. So guys, that just is, okay, I sold my land, that's the same. Okay, so guys, that's just everything about our scene by scene image. So the app go ahead to narrate everything in our script from scene one to the final scenes and give us as this. Okay, so now what we have to do next now, because we're already cutting the main things we needed, okay, which our script, okay, and our character consistent and our also scene by scene images. What we have to do now is just for us to start generating our images accordingly. Okay, but I still want to use this my AI app, this my ChatGPT, to get my images. Mind you can use your ChatGPT to get your images. Okay, when you exhausted this one, you switch into another email, because why I don't like joking with ChatGPT in terms of that image, their image is always very massive, like it's very massive. Okay, now what I have to do now is guys for this. So let me start up first for those that didn't understand me. Okay, now you can see this is the last chat. I see, come over here. Sorry, the price ChatGPT and just tell the app generate, I don't know, yes, generate in one image for me. Okay, and also tell the app ratio is used. Ratio, let me use 9:16. I think that is okay. Okay, so I tell the app generate scene one ratio in generate scene one image for me. Okay, now what I have to do, you have to send it and also give the app time for the image to generate for me. Okay, please, while we are waiting for our image to be ready, abeg don't go and combine your scenes accordingly. Don't do it, because if you go and combine yours, if you go and tell the app generate scene one and scene two for me, the app will go and give you scene one and scene two combine. Do you understand? Just generating them one after the other, one by one. Okay, so like this now our scene one is ready. So guys, did you see what we have? So guys, our scene one image is ready, and this is exactly what we have, which you see. This is very awesome. I so much love this. I so much love this. Now I still go ahead to tell the app, okay, generate scene two. Okay, normally they already know the ratio we are working with. Okay, so let me go ahead to download this while you are still waiting for our scene two. I will on press and click on save. Okay, I will on press and click on save. And let's wait for it to save while we are waiting for this. And also please guys, I want to open a Telegram channel where I will be dropping all these prompts I used in my AI tutorial. Okay, in case if you are interested or if you want me to do that, please let me know your opinion in the comment section, and let me know if you guys will also join the Telegram community. Okay, so that I'll be dropping all these prompts there, you guys will not be asking for it again. Do you understand? So guys, like this now our second image is getting ready. So do you see it? Like, do you see everything? This is very awesome. So I still go ahead to generate my scene 3. You see how I'm generating it one after the other, so that the app will not go ahead to combine everything for me. Do you understand? So that's why I said if you're trying to generate it, if you're trying to use ChatGPT to generate your images, please kindly generate them one after the other. Mind you, this image you are seeing here, you still see the same in any other images, like in any other app generating image. Do you understand? All you have to do, first of all, get your consistent images done, which I said this is your consistent image. Okay, let me go back to show you so that you all will not be confused. Okay, so this is our consistent image prompt. Okay, so this is everything about from here now, from this Mama Ngozi, this is everything about Mama Ngozi, and this is everything about Papa Ngozi. Now what you have to do now, okay, go ahead to copy everything from Mama Ngozi. Okay, if you're trying to use another website, like another app, to get your images, go and copy everything about Mama Ngozi. Okay, and go and paste it there, and copy everything about Papa Ngozi and go and paste it there to generate for you. Okay, and once you get all the images, still go and copy everything about Ngozi and paste it there. Like this, I have now getting your 3 main character consistent images. Now once you get your character, your 3 main character, it depends your script. Okay, sometimes your AI app will give you up to 5 to 6 character consistent. It depends how your script is. Do you understand? But my own, according to my script, because it's short script, there are just 3. Do you understand? That's why you're seeing 3 consistent, so that you not be worried though. Okay, so as I was saying, once you get your character consistent images, ready. Now what you have to do, you go to your scene by scene images. So this is our scene by scene images. Now you can see scene one. Go and read it carefully, okay? You see where they mentioned Mama Ngozi, okay? And also go and check, just check the names they mention here, okay? Now if you can check under this our scene one, we have Mama Ngozi, okay? And we still have okay, let's check if we still have another person. Okay, now we still have Papa Ngozi. Do you understand? So they are the main characters in this scene one. Now go ahead to bring in those Mama Ngozi and Papa Ngozi you generated first and paste it to that app. You still get exactly like what I did, like what I get here. I'm telling you the honest truth, okay? Try this method, or you can still use ChatGPT to get your script. Anyone you want to know that is work for you, okay? Now our second sim, sorry, our third sim is getting ready, okay? So like this, look, here is it. This is very nice, okay? I think I'll be working with these three. These three will be okay for me, okay? So that it can give me that I'm looking for, okay? So what I have to do next is just go to my script. Okay, I head over to my script where my script started. Okay, so here is it. Okay, I'll just go ahead to copy this for our scene one. Okay, so guys, for the sake of this video, okay, we'll be using Flow AI. Okay, remember I said I will teach you how you can make it, okay, like how you can create more longer video. Do you understand? So we'll be using Flow AI. Okay, now the first thing first, you have to know at your backside. Now if you come to Flow AI, each day, okay, they will give you 50 credit. Each day you have to have 50 credit per emails. Okay, so I want to show you how you can minimize this 50 credit to get up to 15 to 30 seconds longer video. Okay, now when you come to your Flow AI, click on this plus sign. Okay, you see what do you want to make. Go there to paste in your script. Now when you paste in your script, okay, go and check. Okay, now we have only Mama Ngozi for the dialogue part, that where she will say something. She's the only one that has to say here, okay? And Mama Ngozi is the woman. Open your bracket and type the woman. Now when you open it and type, you go ahead to close it, okay? You can see we don't have any another one again. I don't know, I think let me shorten this thing so that it will give me what I want. And maybe well, let me just leave it because I want her to talk fast. Do you understand? Now what I have to do next, I still go ahead to instruct the app. This is very important part. Please pay serious attention this side. I go ahead to instruct the app, okay? Mind you, follow according to the script, okay? And use simple Nigeria plain English intonation. Do you understand? Now this is where I'm talking about, so that you can make your image to talk like a woman. Do you understand? Because I want them, this, because it's very important which accent you want your image to speak with. So this is what I'm doing here, okay? Okay, and also mind you, follow according to the script and also use Nigeria plain in English intonation, okay? As you guys to instruct the app, mind you, don't change anything in the image, because Flow AI is fond of that. They always change their images. Do you understand? Okay, so what I have to do now, once I'm done, don't change it. Mind you, don't change anything in the image. Maintain it as it is. So like this now, I'm done instructing my app. So like this now, I'm done instructing my app. What I have to do next, you go ahead to click on this plus sign. Sorry, this plus sign you are seeing here. I go ahead to click on it. You see images. Click on images, okay, and give it time. Now this have taken us to our gallery. Okay, now let's go. This is the one we'll be going with. This is our first image we generated. We click on the first image and click on done. Now once we bring in our image, do you see this image? Click there. choose this. You will see image, you see video. Okay, normally we are trying to generate video, so we're going to using video, we'll not be using image. As me say you want to generate image, you choose image, but you want to generate video, choose video. Okay, now when you choose video, check the ratio your image is. We have 9:16, we have 16:9. We are going with 9:16 because this is the ratio my image is. Okay, now this sign is how many times you want your video to appear. Mind you, if you choose one, if you choose one, there you see the credit is consumed. If you choose two, this is the credit. Three, this is the credit. Four, this is the credit. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be going with one times. Okay, now when you come here, now this is how many seconds you want your video to be. I'll go ahead to click on 10 seconds. Okay, now when I click on 10 seconds, okay, what I have to do now, you see this omni fresh. Okay, this is the one we'll be going with. This omni fresh, we'll be going with it. We have to consume 15 credits. You can see it here. Okay, I choose the omni fresh. So once I'm done here, I go ahead to click on this white icon to send it. Okay, and give it time to load for us. Okay, please, if you want me to tutor you in any other thing, please kindly drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to help you. Okay, so guys, our video is ready. Now let's kindly check the results we have. Okay, let's bring it in.
Na me be akamu. Na me be akamu. Na me be pepper. Na me be onions. Na me be maggi. Na me be nepa bill. Na me dey cook. Na me dey wash. Na me dey clean. Even when mosquito enter this house, na me go pursue am.
So guys, you see, this is very awesome. So what you have to do is go ahead to click, long press on it. You will see download. Okay, go ahead to download it. Do you understand? No, you have already generated the first one. Okay, let's head over to our ChatGPT. So guys, like this, now I'm done animating my script as we did before, and also instructing the app, which you are seeing it here. Okay, now see, go ahead to click on this plus sign. Okay, now go to my image. Okay, and go and bring in my sim 2. Okay, so this is my sim 2. Okay, even when you get this kind of thing from Flow AI, my dear, go and dismiss it, because you know say you still have your credit. Okay, so guys, now let's check the second one.
Papa Ngozi, tell me, wetin exactly you dey contribute for this marriage?
Me?
Yes, you.
I dey contribute.
Contribute wetin? Snoring?
So guys, like this, now we have now generated our 3 videos. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, so I still got to download it like we did before. Okay, now let me show you how you can now combine them. Okay, so that we get that result we are looking for. Okay, head over to any your editing app of your choice. Okay, I want to show you something. Head over to any editing app of your choice. So this is my CapCut. I've already bring in the first video we generated. Okay, now when you bring it, kindly scroll it. Okay, now when you scroll, this is small arrow, leave it. Now click on your overlay. Go to add overlay. Go and bring in the second video. This is the second video we generated. Also go ahead to add it. Now when you add it, use your hand to zoom it to pull in the screen. Okay, now this is what we have.
Pursue am. Papa Ngozi, tell me, wetin exactly?
Now still go ahead to, at the end part, go to your overlay. Go and bring in the third one we generated. Okay, now when you bring it,
Woman, you never understand my contribution.
now let's check something now.
Contribute wetin? Snoring?
Woman, you never understand my contribution.
So like this, now you have already generated yourself 15 to 30 seconds longer video. Do you understand? You can see the combination, everything lined very well. Okay, so stop wasting for your time as looking for the app that will give you up to that minute, and you keep on procrastinating. This is the best and simple method. Okay, now once you exhausted your credit, you switch into another credit for that Flow AI we use to animate it. Do you understand? So my dear, this is the best way for you. Okay, all you have to make yourself, the favor you have to do to yourself is have enough emails have enough email, my dear, we get that result you are looking for. And through this method, you can see how I instructed the app, how I also instruct my script. Okay, use that method. So guys, that is all about for today. I'll see you all in my next vlog. If this was very helpful, also let me know at the comment section. Okay, I love you all. Bye.